Good morning, everyone. Thank you, CI Telangana Chakravarti Garu, inviting me to this summit and being part of this event today. My name is Venugopal, and I work for Telangana Life Sciences Vice President. And my role is for the state government investment promotions in pharma sector, medical devices, and also ecosystem development and mentoring startups, um, and also working with the infrastructure projects for the industry. So I've been in this position from past 1+ years, and again, it's an honor to be here. And because today's session is about pharma life sciences growth, and you are all aware of Hyderabad is the pharma world actually. So just want to share some of the growth we have done from past decade related to Telangana Life Sciences Foundation. So we emerged as a powerhouse of India's life science sector, and the foundation is instrumental in driving the R&D agenda and ensuring that we not only remain a hub for large-scale manufacturing, but also evolve into the global leader in research, innovation, and cutting-edge technology. So our strategy is built on four key pillars. One is attracting investments, next is fostering innovation, and developing a skilled workforce, and upgrading the infrastructure. So you guys may already know we have a Genome Valley for pharma life sciences, and also we have another industrial park, Sultanpur Medical Device Park, which is India's largest medical device park. We hosted right now 30 companies which are currently operating, and another 30 yet to be commissioned. So we are basically our vision is go beyond the pharmacy of the world through the foundation. We are transforming Telangana into an innovation-driven ecosystem. So in Hyderabad, right now we host over 20 life sciences and medtech incubators, providing a platform for entrepreneurs, researchers, and startups to bring new ideas to life. So these incubators are basically bridging the gap between cutting edge science and real world applications. So nurturing breakthroughs that can change the future of the medicine and healthcare. So Telangana widely recognized as a ease of doing business, and you may already heard about TG-PackCON. It's a single window system where in industrialist can come and apply the application, and everything will be done hassle-free environment. The allocation and the DPR validation processing, everything will done online. Any assistance required, we are there to help. So that's why we attract so many companies in Hyderabad. And also, we are very supportive to the MSME enterprises. They are the backbone of the industrial growth. So Telangana got extended strong support to MSMEs. So some of the incentives we have for MSMEs is 50% investment subsidy on fixed capital for micro and small industries, 100% reimbursement on stamp duty on land purchases, and 50 to 75% reimbursement on state GST over 7 years. So in addition, we provide power subsidies at like one rupee per unit for next 5 years, and also 50% reimbursement on skilling costs. So these are the measures that startups and small firms have the resources and confidence to grow along the global giants. And moreover, we are also focusing on two main areas. One is artificial intelligence and digital health. So we believe the future of life sciences lies at the intersection of biology and technology. So Telangana is placing strong emphasis on integrating AI and machine learning into drug discovery, diagnostics, and clinical trials. So to accelerate this program, the foundation and the government are supporting startups in digital health, so space, and also we have created a digital health data exchange platform for startups. This platform basically it's a collective of government uh, departments' data. So we have a data already, and that you can run a model, especially artificial intelligence startup companies. So they can use the data. So we are providing this platform to all the startups. And you may be aware we have a big ecosystem here, T-Hub, T-Works. If somebody wanted to do prototype, MVP product, they can utilize the services as T-Works. And there are a lot of mentorship and cohort services available in T-Hub. There are a lot of plug and play facilities from the government on a discounted rate as well available. So the government intention is to develop the ecosystem and bring build a culture, a startup culture in Telangana. So that's where we are. Government is striving to do bring more facilities, build more ecosystem around it, and also we are focusing on medtech industry. So right now it is like a $14 billion industry. And as you all know, India is importing almost 70% of medical devices. So there is a lot of growth available. And the past 3 to 4 years, the medical industry is growing around 14% per year. And so it is like after IT boom, next sector is the medical devices. So there's a lot of opportunities available. And so for that reason, we are also extending the medical device park phase 2. And also we want to build another medical device cluster in the future city. We want to encourage the medical industry. And we have, Hyderabad is a medical tourism hub as well. So we are working with hospitals like AIG and Apollo to bring, everybody like clinicians and infrastructure, everything together under one platform to promote the medical device industry in Hyderabad. And also we are establishing labs like biocompatibility, biomaterial, and microbiology, clean rooms, testing facility, also working on it. So these are some of the measures on behalf of government we are taking, and so we want to encourage all Telangana-based pharma and medtech companies to take advantage of these opportunities and showcase their presence. So thank you very much. Thank you for inviting.